Urban communities are starting to realize and decide to live healthy. One of them is because the air quality is getting worse. Based on the results of IQ8 air measurements, it shows that Indonesia was ranked number 9 with the world's worst air quality over the last 3 years. It's caused by the increasing growth of the population, the motorized vehicles, and the quantity of existing industries, including forest fires. According to the Environmental Protection Agency of America, or EPA, indoor air pollution is in the third position of environmental factors that affect human health, with air quality 2 until 5 times worse than outdoor. Especially since the COVID-19 pandemic has lasted for 2 years, viruses and bacteria can spread in the air. One of the solutions to this problem is to use an air purifier, but the price of it is quite expensive.
This is HAZ air purifier, anti-smoke and microorganism.
It's effective, economical, and easy to make at home.
Greetings!
I'm Nayla
And I'm Arifah.
We're from Pribadi Bilingual Boarding School Bandung.
From the problem that has been presented previously, we decided to do an experiment making an air purifier using HEPA filter, activated charcoal, and zeolite.
Why do we use activated charcoal and zeolite? That's because activated charcoal and zeolite have properties that are able to absorb gases and substances. The absorption capacity of activated charcoal is very large, which is about 25 until 1000% by the weight of activated carbon.
The purpose of this experiment are first, to make HAZ air purifier, and the second is test the effectiveness of HAZ air purifier, and the last is blowing ability of HAZ air purifier in filtering air pollutants and microorganisms.
And also, we wanted to know how to make an effective and affordable HAZ air purifier. Does the combination of HEPA filter, activated charcoal, and zeolite improve the quality of air purifier? How effective is the HAZ air purifier in filtering pollutants and microorganisms? In this project, we prepared the tools and materials needed to make the HAZ air purifier.
This project was conducted in 4 stages. The first stage is making HAZ air purifier. We carry out by designing our HAZ air purifier before we assemble it. Then, we assemble our product from the materials that have been prepared. We made HAZ air purifier frame from acrylic. Install the lamp as lighting. Then, we enter the zeolite as the first layer. After that, we add activated charcoal as the second layer. Cover the air hole as air outlet with HEPA filter cloth. And last, install the mini fan at the top of the frame.
The second stage is testing the use of HAZ air using a smoke detector. Before we test the air purifier using a smoke detector, first we test whether it works or not. The air enters through the fan, then enters the tube containing activated charcoal and zeolite, which can absorb particles and microorganisms in the air. Then the air will be passed to the HEPA filter and out of the air holes around the tube. We used 2 samples and the HAZ air purifier succeeded to filter both of them. The first one used a mosquito cells and the second one used a cigarettes. The smoke from mosquito cells inserted into a tube and tested using a smoke detector. After 5 minutes, the smoke detector lights up indicating the presence of smoke and carbon dioxide. After that, enter the HAZ air purifier and after 3 minutes, the smoke detector will stop turning on, which indicates that there is no smoke or carbon dioxide. Let's test the HAZ air purifier using smoke from cigarettes. The smoke from cigarettes that were inserted into the tube is tested using a smoke detector. After 10 minutes, the smoke detector lights up indicating the existence of smoke, carbon dioxide, and other particles. After that, enter the HAZ air purifier and after 3 minutes, the smoke detector will stop turning on, which indicates that there is no smoke and other harmful particles in the air. After we tested using smoke from mosquito cells and cigarette, we tested the bacterial growth. Sample 1 shows the growth of bacterial and fungal colonies in 1 times 24 hours and continues to grow within 3 times 24 hours. Sample 2 shows the growth of bacterial colonies in 1 times 24 hours and continues to grow in 3 times 24 hours. Sample 3 shows the growth of bacterial and fungal colonies in 1 times 24 hours and continues to grow within 3 times 24 hours. Control with activated charcoal that has not been used in the air purifier showed no growth of bacterial or fungal colonies in 1 times 24 hours. Control with zeolite that has not been used in the air purifier showed no growth of bacterial or fungal colonies in 1 times 24 hours.
The last stage of this project is result analysis. From the experiment we have done, we found that HAZ air purifier is proven to absorb particles of pollutants and microorganisms in the air.
The conclusion are activated charcoal and zeolite can be used as an absorbent raw material in air purifier. HAZ air purifier can filter pollutants and microorganisms in the air and also as an alternative to air purifier that are environmentally friendly and economically.
We recommend to carry out with larger product size, and to maximize this project, we recommend to use more variation of microorganisms and pollutants. We hope we can improve our project in the future. Thank you!